Is programming dead? With ChatGPT and AI agents writing code in seconds, is it even worth learning a language in 2024? The answer is yes, but the rules have changed. The bar has been raised, and if you want to succeed, you need to stop thinking like a coder and start thinking like a problem solver. Today, we're breaking down exactly which programming language you should pick first in this AI era. Most students ask, which language is best? But that's the wrong question. You should be asking, what do I want to do with my life? Are you a data scientist, a web developer, an app creator? In the AI era, knowing a little bit of Python isn't enough because AI can fix basic mistakes and write simple scripts in a heartbeat. To thrive, you must choose a career path and master the tools that make you irreplaceable. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or education, AI is transforming every industry, and you need to be the one steering it. Category 1, the college student. If you're in college and they're teaching you C, C++, or Java, stick with it. Why? Because CGPA actually matters. It opens doors to foreign internships and high-tier companies. Once you master the core concepts, like loops and variables, transitioning to any other language becomes easy. Category 2, the complete beginner, non-CS background. If you're starting from scratch or changing careers, go with Python. It's easy to set up, easy to read, and opens the door to data science and AI engineering. From back-end development to making games with Pygame, Python lets you build things fast. In the AI era, speed of development is your superpower. Category 3, the aspiring web developer. Want to build websites? JavaScript is your go-to. But listen closely. In the AI era, being just a front-end or just a back-end developer isn't enough. You need to be a full-stack developer to understand the whole problem. Use modern tools like Clerk for authentication to speed up your workflow and focus on the big picture. Here's the secret. AI can write code, but it can't always solve complex problems. To stay ahead, you need to build real-world projects. Projects give you industry experience that AI simply can't replicate. The goal is to become a deadly combination, a human who understands the deep concepts like middleware or database schemas and uses AI to execute them 10 times faster. If you don't understand the basics, you won't even know what to ask the AI. The most important advice? Just start. Don't spend months debating which language is perfect. If you don't have a reason to wait, start right now. Choose a path, build projects, and conquer the AI era. Now stop watching and start coding. See you in the next one.